In this video, I'm making my own custom winch mount. I want a mount that can go into a receiver hitch, a 2x2 receiver hitch on multiple vehicles. I want to be able to use it on my flatbed truck, on my tractor, and I also want to be able to use this winch mounted on trees as well. When I'm felling trees in the woods, sometimes my tractor can't get in position to actually pick the tree. So I'll be using this as a winch to retrieve trees as well. I decided I wanted to make my own because I want the 2x2 insert to be solid steel instead of tube steel. And finding that with the proper mount, it was easier just to fab it up myself. This is a 1/4-inch plate that I'm cutting here. Now I'm cleaning it up, getting it ready for welding to the 2x2 insert that's going to go into the receiver hitch. So this is the open road hitch, or winch I should say, that I'm making a hitch mount. I still have to drill the holes through the plate. That's a 1/4-inch steel plate below it. Came from a job, it was free, so that's the best kind of steel, I guess, is free. Anyway, this big solid 2" by 2 is going to be welded to that, but I don't want to weld it yet until I drill my holes on my plate. It's going to be easier to do that ahead of time, so at least I think. Unless it's welded and then I put the insert in the actual vise on the milling machine, then it might actually be easier that way. Kind of talking myself out of it as we speak. Okay, I'm going to knock the mill scale off the 2x2 solid, just to knock the mill scale off of it, get it ready for welding. Today I'm going to use the prime weld to weld this up. It's the TIG 225, but I'm just doing DC stick today on this. But it's a pretty nice welder so far. I'm pretty happy with it. Had it for about 6 months. Welds pretty good. So here I do have it mounted into my milling machine, and I'm drilling the mount holes for the winch. I have the X-axis set for 10 inches and the Y-axis at 4.5. The digital readout makes it so much easier. That was one of the best upgrades I did on my milling machine. Okay, and here I'm just drilling out for the hitch pin. I'll be doing that in 2 steps. After this step, it actually will complete the build of the custom mount. Other than painting, I'll probably do that at a later time. I am going to mount it and just check it on the tractor to see if it fits well. All right, that's it for today. It's going to be solid mount. Fits in there nicely tight. In some upcoming videos, I'll go ahead and actually show it in use. Sometimes I'll use it for felling trees. I'm going to use it on my flatbed truck for loading logs as well. And I'm also going to use it in the woods. I'm going to make another attachment for trees as well. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.